as part of Organizing for America was the central point that coordinated the coalition and got us out here and made this happen. So give it up for Jill here.
Hello. Well, the past couple weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I've had the amazing opportunity to work with a lot of really great people, great volunteers that made all of this happen. So you're all here today because of all the hard work they did. And as an organizer with Organizing for America, I know that all the change that we're in the process of getting, you know, we're close, we're not there yet, but we're this far because since we took on this effort, 2.2 million volunteers have picked up the phone and asked people to contact their members in Congress. They've written letters. They've visited their senators' offices. They've made their voices heard. And they've let Congress know that yes, we can. Yes, this is what we want. We want health care reform, and we want it now. And we are the power behind them. So I asked you to continue calling your members in Congress, our senators, Representative Baird, Representative Adam Smith. I asked you to fill out greeting cards and tell them what you want for the holidays, which is health care reform. And if you would like to help us, because we will continue reaching out to Congress until health care reform is passed, and then we'll move on to
the next thing.
The next thing, which I'm hoping that Stu, I know he's a champion for climate change. So another thing that we can't have is a dirty planet. So in his election campaign to fill Brendan's large shoes for the Legislative District 22, I know that he's a champion of climate change, and I know we can all get behind him and help work on that next. So I'm going to turn it back to Stuart Henderson, and thank you all so much for coming.
What do we want? Healthcare! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Healthcare! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Healthcare! When do we want it? Now! All right, thank you so much for being down here.